Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about galaxies. A galaxy is a group of millions or even billions of stars, clouds of gas, and dust particles that move together through the universe. A galaxy is held together by gravity. Galaxies are so big that they seem endless. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. They probably formed billions of years ago, soon after the universe began. The word galaxy comes from the Greek word for Milky. The Sun, Earth, and the other planets of the solar system are part of the Milky Way galaxy. Most galaxies move through the universe as part of clusters or groups of galaxies. The Milky Way is at one end of a cluster called the Local Group. Our solar system is located in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, specifically the Orion arm. It includes about 40 galaxies. The largest galaxy in the Local Group is the Andromeda Galaxy. After years of discovering and studying galaxies, astronomers have learned that galaxies come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. No two galaxies are exactly alike. Some scientists think that most of the mass of a galaxy is made up of a mysterious substance called dark matter. It is thought that there is a massive black hole in the center of galaxies. The biggest galaxy currently known is the supergiant elliptical galaxy IC 1101. This galaxy stretches for more than 2 million light years across, and it contains at least 100 trillion stars. The smallest galaxies are usually named dwarf galaxies. There are four main types of galaxies depending on their shape. Spiral. Spiral galaxies look like pinwheels. They have a central disk and two or more curved arms winding outward. The disk contains mainly of older stars, while the arms have younger stars. The arms contain much dust and gas from which new stars can form. Large spiral. This type of galaxy is similar to the spiral, but has a long bar in the middle with spirals coming off the ends. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy. Elliptical. An elliptical galaxy may be shaped like a round ball, or may be more stretched out, like an American football. It has more stars near its center and fewer stars in its outer regions. Elliptical galaxies vary widely in size. Small elliptical galaxies are the most common kind of galaxy in the universe. Irregular, unusually shaped galaxies are called irregular galaxies. They are not very common. Many of them have no obvious center point. It is thought that most irregular galaxies are formed by two of the three other types of galaxies crashing into each other. Starburst is a name for galaxies that form a lot of new stars at a fast rate. Galaxies continue to be formed and grow. This happens through collisions and mergers. These events change galaxy shapes and sizes. Superclusters are large collections of smaller galaxy groups and galaxy clusters. They are one of the largest known structures in the universe. Edwin Hubble explained that the reason most galaxies are moving away from one another is because the whole universe is expanding. Pick any two galaxies at random, and the chances are they are moving away from each other. When Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is expanding, he explained it by drawing an analogy with a fruit cake baking in an oven. As the cake rises, all the raisins move further apart. In the same way, as the universe expands, the galaxies within it are moving further apart. The Doppler shift is one way that we can tell which way a galaxy is moving. When an object moves near or away from something, the wavelength of any radiation it emits seems to change. Distant galaxies appear to be going to what is known as redshift, which means that they're moving away from us. Only 3 galaxies outside of the Milky Way can easily be seen in the dark sky by the unaided eye on Earth. Andromeda Galaxy, which can be seen from the northern hemisphere, the large Magellanic Cloud, and the small Magellanic Cloud, which are visible from the southern hemisphere. Thanks for watching this episode of Adventurous Kids.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.